Hello everyone, a very good morning to all. Welcome to science class. So we are discussing about the physical and chemical changes. So physical change, we got an idea what's the physical change. The change in the physical properties of an organism, of a substance, then it is called a physical change. Then we have to go through the chemical change. We have to study more and more examples for chemical change. So in your textbook, activity 6.6 is there. So it is demonstrated by the teacher in the lab usually, but there is no way now. That's why you just listen this video and also hear the audio. Nothing is that you have to take a small piece of magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon is available there in the lab, and clean its tip with a sandpaper. Magnesium ribbon, when we are keeping for a long time, it will be so fade in color, and there will be a special kind of coating over the surface of this magnesium which avoid burning. So in order to burn it very fastly, we have to clean by rubbing it this magnesium ribbon by using sandpaper. Sandpaper വെച്ച് നന്നായിട്ട് ഉരച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാലുള്ളൂ ഈ magnesium ribbon പെട്ടെന്ന് നമുക്ക് കത്തിക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, then bring its tip near the candle flame. It burns with a brilliant white light. Okay, very brilliant white light we can see at the time of burning of this magnesium ribbon. So magnesium, that is a metal. So after the burning of this magnesium ribbon, it will becomes converts to a little ash. Okay, this ash is the magnesium oxide. What is the name? Magnesium oxide. So what happened to the metal magnesium now? That is totally converted to another substance called magnesium oxide. Physical appearance is completely changed. Chemically also it is changed. Okay, chemically it is not magnesium now. It is the magnesium oxide. Okay, magnesium plus oxygen give rise to magnesium oxide. Then, so that is ash. That ash we can call magnesium oxide. Then this magnesium oxide just mix with water. Then we will get another form of this magnesium, that is a magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium oxide plus water will get the magnesium hydroxide. So this magnesium hydroxide is a base. That is not an acid, it is a base. Magnesium, we can identify whether it is an acid or base by testing with a litmus paper. So when we are dipping the red litmus, there is no change because it is not acidic. But when we are dipping the blue litmus, we can see there is a change in the color. Blue is changed to red. So what we got now? Two new substances that is produced from this magnesium. This type of changes are called chemical changes. Clear now? And we studied about the rusting process. That is also another example for this chemical change. So in this chapter you can see all activities regarding chemical changes. All these are the activities that we are doing from our science lab usually, but now it is not possible. You try to study this when we are getting the chance. We'll do from the lab inshallah. Okay, so the second activity, that is activity 6.7. Here we have to take a little amount of copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Are you remembering about the copper sulfate solution that we taken for testing protein from 6th standard? Okay, so like that we have to make some copper sulfate solution by mixing the copper sulfate powder in water. Okay, then keep this half cup of water and take a little copper sulfate solution, keep aside. That is a test solution. Then add some amount of, a little amount of this dilute sulfuric acid to the solution. Dilute sulfuric acid to the solution. Then keep a small pin or a blade, a safety pin or a blade or a nail, made any substance made of iron, a small material made of iron, we have to keep it. So iron plus copper. So what are the two chemicals now? Iron is the substance that we dipped there and copper sulfate is the solution. Then wait for one day and we can see there is a color change. Our blue solution may turns to green color, and also our new blade or new nail is just rusted like. It may turns its color. It changes its color a fade color may be there. So here two chemical changes happened. Can you say what are the two chemical changes? Two reactions, chemical reactions happen here between copper sulfate and iron. So the new solution, what is the color of the new solution? That is green in color. This green colored solution is because of the formation of iron sulfate. So what happened now? From the blade, the iron is mixed in the solution and the solution becomes iron sulfate, not the copper sulfate now. And what happened in return? From the copper sulfate, the copper is deposited over the iron. That is why there is a brown deposit, a brown color, a fade color. That is because of the deposition of copper over the iron. The reaction between these two, that is given there in the page number 61, copper sulfate solution plus iron give rise to iron sulfate. Okay, plus copper. Copper is a brown deposit over this. Okay, like this a number of reactions are there. The remaining part of the reactions that we will discuss in the next class. Okay.